cleaning. One rainy spring day, Timmy's family decided to clean the house. If everyone works together, we will be finished soon. Timmy had a sister named Betty. She hated cleaning house. She had to clean the every nook and cranny on the first floor. She would often hide behind the furniture or curtains to play. Even thought her mom was cleaning the kitchen. Her mom knows Timmy was stopped cleaning. Meanwhile, Timmy was in charge of cleaning the second floor. First, he vacuumed and dusted all of the rugs and carpet. Then he polished the windows. Finally, he rearranged the bed and dresser in his room. Yay! It's finally over. By then, a delicious curly dinner was already cooking. Then they washed up and enjoyed the dinner in the clean house. Thank you.
Spring cleaning. One rainy spring day, Timmy family decided to clean the house. Everyone worked together to finish the soon. Timmy had a sister named Betty. She hated cleaning the house. Betty had to clean every nook and cranny on the first floor. She would often hide behind the furniture or curtain to play. Even though her mom was scrubbing the kitchen, she would always know Betty stopped cleaning. Meanwhile, Timmy was in charge of cleaning a second floor. Then he vacuumed and dusted and rug and carpet. Then he polished the window. Finally, he rearranged the bed and dresser in his room. Yay, it's finally over. By then, delicious curry dinner was already cooking. They washed up and enjoyed dinner in the clean house. Thank you.
Spring cleaning. One rainy spring day, Timmy's family decided to clean the house. If everyone worked together, we will finish soon. Timmy had a sister named Betty. She hated cleaning house. Betty had to clean every nook and cranny on the first floor. She would often hide behind the furniture or curtain to play. Even so, her mom was scrubbing the kitchen. She would always know when Betty stopped cleaning. Meanwhile, Timmy was in charge of to clean the second floor. First, he vacuumed and dusted all of the rug and carpet. Then, he polished the window. Finally, he rearranged the bed and dresser in his room. Yay! It's finally over! By then, a delicious dinner was already cooking. They all washed up and enjoyed dinner in the clean house. Thank you.
Spring cleaning. One rainy spring day, Timmy's family decided to clean the house. If everyone works together, we'll be finished soon. Timmy had a sister named Betty. She hated cleaning house. Betty had to clean every nook and cranny on the first floor. She would often hide behind the furniture or curtains to play, even though her mom was scrubbing the kitchen. She would always know where Betty stopped cleaning. Meanwhile, Timmy was in charge of cleaning a second floor. First, he vacuumed and dusted all of the rugs and carpet. Then he polished the windows. Finally, he rearranged the bed and dresser in his room. Yay! It's finally over. By then, a delicious curry dinner was already cooking. They all washed up and enjoyed dinner in a clean house. Thank you.
Spring cleaning. One rainy day, Timmy's family decided to clean their house. If everyone works together, we'll finish soon. Timmy had a sister named Betty. She hates cleaning. She has to clean all the first floors. She could hide behind the furniture, the curtains to play. Even though her mom was scrubbing the kitchen. Her mom knows when Betty stopped cleaning. Meanwhile, Timmy was cleaning the second floor. First, he vacuumed the mats. Next, he polished the windows. Finally, he rinsed the bed. Yay, it's finally over. By then, a delicious curry dinner was there. They all washed up and enjoyed the dinner. Thank you.
Spring cleaning. He brushed the window. He arranged the bed. Yay! It's finally over. Curry dinner was cooking. They wash up and enjoy. Thank you.